Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to reply to comments on Pinterest quickly and easily. So you've got a few different options here. So you can reply to comments on other people's pins. So for example, I'm going to click on this pin, which isn't mine. It's got a comment. So I can click on the comment. You can see reply here. So if I want to reply to that comment, I can do that there. Another option is if you've got your own pins and you're starting to get comments. So I can click on a comment and someone's written great. So I can love that comment, or I can click on reply and write my reply. So I'll write thanks and hit reply. And that is it. That is how to reply to comments on Pinterest. I hope you found that useful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.